Hello, dear viewers. Today, I'll show you how to easily connect a coaxial antenna cable. Most people either buy a new cable or attempt to repair it incorrectly. As you can see, this type of connection is weak and unreliable. So, let's do it properly without any special equipment, using only items that can be found in every home. First, strip and crimp the insulation. Don't throw away the small white piece of insulation. We'll need it later. Antenna cables are quite delicate, so work carefully to avoid breaking the copper conductor. After cleaning the cable, we move on to an important step: heating the copper wire. Dear viewers, write in the comments from which country you watch my channel. It will be interesting to read. Using a knife, gently scrape the copper wire to create small scratches on its surface. This helps the wires grip each other more securely. But that's not the only reason. You'll see why in a moment, and I'll explain an important detail about connecting these cables. Bend one cable downward and the other upward. Join them together, then use pliers to secure the connection and tightly wrap the copper wires around each other. As promised, here's the soldering trick. We'll need this type of lighter. If you use a regular lighter, it will leave black soot behind, which can result in poor electrical contact. Now simply solder the connection using solder. Wrap the copper wire with electrical tape and return the insulation to its original position. Next, we'll need the piece of white insulation that we set aside earlier. Wrap everything with electrical tape, and that's it. Now let's move on to the second, more professional method of connecting the cable. For this method, strip the insulation from the ends, but not as much as we did the first time. Twist the shielding back like this. We'll be using special connectors designed for this type of connection. Install 2 F connectors. leaving a small portion of the copper conductor exposed. You'll also need an F-type female-to-female coupler. This connection is strong, reliable, and long-lasting. For a cleaner appearance, you can wrap it with electrical tape. Thank you for watching. Use my tips and be sure to check out my other videos.